Firstly, congratulations on Parampara that released today
Thank you
on
so much.
Hotstar.
Yeah, thank you so much.
We wanted to know about your role in Parampara.
I would say that you have to watch the series to know about my character, but I would say that as an actor, everybody has this feeling to work on a character which gives you satisfaction. So I would say Rachna, my character name is Rachna, and Rachna is one character which is written so beautifully. It's such a powerful character that I'm happy that people are writing good stuff for female actors. And Hari Garu has written the script, and he has written this character so beautifully that when you'll see the show, you'll get to know that how strong she is as a woman, and how emotionally also even if she's emotional, she's in that also she stands out, and she's that strong. So yeah, she's today's girl, I would say.
Okay. Coming to that point, are you like that? Does that the character represent your real life character? Like,
I won't say that it is.
are you a reserved person
Uh,
or party kind, chill girl?
See, it all depends. Like I would not say that I'm reserved, but yes, of course, if you talk about Akanksha, she takes time to open up. She won't go out and out on the first meeting, and she won't talk that much. But yeah, if she knows that the person she's meeting, the vibe is matching to that person, she could, and she would. But if I talk about Rachna, I won't say that, everything is like Akanksha or Akanksha is like Rachna. But yeah, there are few things which I totally relate to that character. When you talk about family, or when you talk about honesty and your values, or when you talk about headstrong thinking. So I think, yeah, in that sense, I can say that Akanksha is quite like Rachna, but not completely.
Okay. How did you enjoy your time in Hyderabad? You like being in
I
Hyderabad?
love, I love being in Hyderabad, and I'm not just saying it just because you are doing the interview or I'm on a Hyderabad portal, but I'm just telling you this, that I love the city. Like nowhere in India, I feel so happy to go and work. It's Hyderabad. Whenever I have a shoot, I can stay back here. Like, whenever I go to some location, I feel like, you feel homesick. You feel like going back to your house after maybe working for 10 days, 15 days, or whatever it is. This is one city. Like today, also, I have to catch a flight going back to Bombay. But I don't know, my heart, if you'll say that you have to stay back, I will stay back. So this
Okay.
city gives me that feel.
Yes. You told that you love Hyderabad. Which is your best favorite place in Hyderabad?
Favorite place in Hyderabad. I
Like your
love
go-to
their
place, maybe?
restaurants. My go-to place is Farzi Cafe. I really like their mushrooms, and I'm a foodie. Though people don't believe that, but yeah, I'm a foodie, and I really like the Farzi Cafe of Hyderabad, basically.
Okay. How was your Maldives trip?
Oh, it was amazing. Like I'm a traveler, out and out traveler. You'll ask me to pack the bags, and if you are making a plan, I would say let's go because I love traveling.
Okay. Can we know what's your next go-to trip? Which place do you prefer?
See, right now I just came from Turkey, and my right now my stomach is full of traveling. So I won't say that I really want. I'm in near future. I'm looking forward to go. I'm really looking forward to work now, and because now everything is getting released, and I'm busy in promotions. I've recently started my Hindi web show in Lucknow. So yeah, I holiday is not in cards as of now.
Um, Next, coming to that point, what are your New Year is approaching and what will be your New Year plans?
I am shooting on the New Year's, so that is my plan, and I am happy that I'm shooting because after COVID and stuff, you are very fortunate if you're working. So it's a new year, and I hope that if I'm shooting on the first day of the new year, I will keep on working the whole year. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to that.
Who's your favorite actor?
There are so many. I cannot answer this question for sure.
Name at least three people.
From Telugu industry?
Okay.
From Telugu industry, you're asking?
Your wish. Anywhere.
Okay. So favorite actor. If I'll tell you.
Okay, tell me in Telugu only. Like which Tollywood actor you like the most?
I really like Allu Arjun sir.
Okay. We all love Allu Arjun.
Sorry?
We all love Allu Arjun.
Yes, so he's one. Nani.
Yes.
I love him as an actor. He's amazing. He's natural. He's effortless. So yeah, I would pick up two names, and even the younger slots are like Vijay Deverakonda, and these people are really great. So I am hoping to work with them soon.
Coming to Nani, you are in a project with Nani's production.
Yes.
Yeah, Meet
Yeah.
Cute. Can we know some details about the film?
So it's an anthology film, and yeah, there are 4 different stories, and one of the story is mine. And when I heard the script, I said, when Deepthi Garu narrated me the script, I was like, whatever it be, I really want to do this project, and there is no other way of letting it go. So I just grabbed on the opportunity, and it's a beautiful story, I would say.
Okay.
A story which I would say that I'm proud of. Like some stories are there, no? Like if I talk about Mallirava right now, I'm really proud of that story, and I'm really proud of that film. So Meet Cute is another film which I'm really proud of.
Okay. With whom would you like to act, like in Tollywood especially? If you were given an option, whom would you choose?
There are so many people I want to work with, so taking a name would be really difficult for me. But as I said that, I really admire so many people's work. So I really like Mahesh Babu sir, Allu Arjun sir, Nani. I really want to work with them. I really want to work with them.
Okay. Coming to your thing, we heard that you're doing a Tamil debut.
Yes, I am.
And Adi Pinishetty. How is it working with Adi Pinishetty?
Again, there are some people who makes you comfortable on the set, and you don't feel like whether it's your first day or whether you're new to the language. Adi is one guy who made me feel that everything is it's my zone. And not even only Adi, I would say that everybody on the sets, the production, Prithvi Aditya, who's doing the film, him, everybody made me so comfortable. I never felt that it's my first Tamil film. And it's a bilingual, by the way. So, yeah, debut in Tamil and Telugu, yes, of course.
How is it working with Ajay Devgan in Runway?
It's amazing. So yeah, as you all know that he's the director, producer, and the actor in the film. The whole idea of being his heroine and in front of the camera when he's directing is something else. So I really thoroughly enjoyed, because we all know him as a very subtle actor. His eye speaks volume when we talk about his acting skills. So yeah, to see him like this and to work with him like this was really like a dream come true.
Like you started your career as a serial actor, and now you turned out an actor in movies. How do you see the progression from television to movies? like cinema?
I never planned the transition though, but I always had this hunger of doing good work. And when I was getting good opportunities in films, I thought that it's the right time to um, for the transition. So I made a move, and so I'm here in front of you, and I'm grateful for whatever I'm doing. So yeah.
Okay. What are your upcoming movies in Telugu? Are there any other which I missed?
So I have Shivru again with Adi Pinisetti.
Okay.
It is also something which I shot in COVID. Clap is there, which is bilingual, Tamil and Telugu. Meet Cute is there, which is going to release again. And today, Parampara has released. So
Yes.
yeah, all these things we have already shot, and I'm in talks with some other projects down Telugu. So let's see what comes
Wish
next.
you all success for your upcoming films, series, whatever
Thank
you
you.
are. We will always there to support you.
Thank you so much. And it means a lot when people and when our audience tells me this thing that, they are loving my work and they are appreciating whatever I'm doing. Nothing is greater than that. No award is greater than your love and your reward. And I really want you to watch Parampara. I would
Yes,
wait for the
we do.
feedback, and please do watch it.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Akanksha. Thank you for giving your
Thank you so
time.
much, Vaishnavi. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so
Thank you.
much.
Okay.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye bye.